playground set for our dogs and puppies. And we got it yesterday. I finally put it together this morning. I just wanted to show it to you guys. Yay, I'm so excited. It's finally here. The delivery. Package. Look at all of that. Ooh. So we got Laladoodles. We got a new puppy playground. We got our package. Just delivered. Just delivered package. Puppy playground package today. It is June 30th. And it is, I think, 1 p.m. Friday afternoon. Exciting thing we have for our dogs and puppies. Stay tuned. It is July 1st and Ayla, she just enjoys the sun. She loves laying out in the sun, so I got this especially for her to enjoy and other visiting dogs and puppies to enjoy while they are staying here while I watch other dogs and puppies. Ayla, do you love it? Enjoying the weather, beautiful Seattle weather. This is the puppy playground, most especially for Ayla to enjoy. She is our senior dog. And we'll be preparing like green artificial grass in the back of the dog run area, so that when that's put in, then we'll put this at the back there. But for now, she's enjoying laying out in the sun. You're getting overheated on our puppy playground. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great 4th of July weekend. And have a good day. Thanks for watching. What do you say? Ayla says, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.